Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear audience. Welcome to today's video. Dear audience, have you ever imagined a world with no sunlight, no bulbs, no candles and no torch? Everything would be dark, nothing will be visible. What type of world it would be? Just imagine the world without light. Have you ever wondered where light comes from? Today we will learn about sources of light and discover the objects that give us light. We will also discover major sources of light and its importance in our daily life. First of all, we will discuss what is light. Light is a form of energy that helps us see objects around us. Without light, our eyes can't see anything. During the day, we see because of sunlight, and at night, we use other sources of light. So we can say that without light, we can't see anything. Visible things will also be invisible without light. So light sources help us to see things. Let's discuss what is source of light. A source of light is any object that produces its own light. These objects emit light and helps us to see other things around us. In simple wording, we can say that sources of light are the things that helps us to see the things that do not produce light. Example of sources of light may be sun, stars, candle, and electric bulb. Remember that source of light will be the thing that produce its own light. So we will discuss two types of sources of light. Number 1, natural source of light, and number 2, artificial sources of light. We will define them and also discuss example of these sources of light. First of all, we will discuss what is natural source of light. As the name indicates, these sources are made by nature, found in nature, and humans do not make them. They are made by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, so they are called natural source of light. Let's discuss the example of natural source of light. The major and main source of light, natural source of light is sun. It provides us heat and light. All the earth is visible due to the source of light. Second natural source is star. Stars also produce their light. At night they appear as tiny shining points in the sky, and they also help us to see other things. Lightning on the sky produce a bright streaks of light. It is also a natural source of light. All of you have observed lightning during rain. Next is living organisms such as fireflies. They can also produce light, so they are also natural source of light. Next we will discuss artificial sources of light. Artificial sources of light are made by humans. As they are made by humans, so they are called artificial. Examples of artificial sources are bulbs. They are most commonly used in homes, schools, and in offices. They are artificial source of light. Next are LED lights. They are energy efficient and produce bright light. They are made by humans, so they are artificial source of light. Next are candles. Candles are also artificial sources of light because they are made by humans and they are also used to produce light during the darkness. Next we will discuss importance of sources of light. Sources of light helps us to see objects clearly, read and write, travel safely at night, and they help us to perform our daily life activities. Without light, nothing will be visible. We will be unable to perform our daily life activities. So we can say that light helps us to perform our all daily life activities. Traveling is safe due to light. I have a quiz for you. Let's test your knowledge. You have to tell that these sources are artificial source or natural source. Sun, torch, firefly, bulb. If you know the answer, please type in comment section. So in the end, we can conclude that sources of light is an object that produce its own light. Sources of light are divided into two main categories, artificial and natural. Natural sources include sun, stars, lightning, and fireflies. And artificial sources include bulbs, torch, LED, and candles. I hope you have understood the topic. Thank you for watching. If you have understand the topic, please like and share. See you in the next science lesson. Allah Hafiz. Up till next video.